Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Microsoft Copilot on Windows step by step. First, open the Start menu that's in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search box, type Microsoft Store and click on it when it appears in the results. The Microsoft Store window will open with a blue and white storefront interface. When the store opens, look at the top of the window for the search bar. Click into it and type Copilot or Microsoft Copilot. As you start typing, search results will appear below showing apps that match what you've typed. In the search results, you'll see the Microsoft Copilot app listing. Click on that listing. This takes you to the app details page where you'll see a description of what Copilot does and a button to install it. Look for the button in the top right area of the page. It'll say either Get or Install depending on your system. Click that button to start downloading and installing the app. You'll see the button change to show the installation progress as it downloads. The whole install takes less than 2 minutes on a decent internet connection, so just let it finish. After installation completes, the button will change to say Open. Click Open to launch Copilot for the first time. When Copilot opens, you'll see a sign-in prompt in the center of the window. This is where you need to enter your personal Microsoft account credentials, type in your email address and password, and sign in. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one first before you can use Copilot. After you sign in, you'll gain access to chat history, image creation, longer conversations, and voice interactions. The app is now fully set up and ready to use. If you want quick access to Copilot later on, right-click the Copilot icon in your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. That way you can launch it with a single click anytime you need it. If your keyboard has a dedicated Copilot key, you can also press that to launch the app instantly. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful.